Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of boot app. Here we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about boot and you will enter. Here you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can click on this sign here. You can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.